Every single time I step into an international airport, the same panic hits me. It's not just the travel, it's the fear that one wrong word will ruin the whole trip. I'm already running late, and I have no idea which way to go. This is pure chaos.
Next, please. Step forward. Passport and booking reference, please.
Hi, yes, of course, here is my passport, and here's the digital booking reference on my phone.
Thank you. Are you checking in any bags today?
Yes, just this one suitcase, and I have one carry-on backpack.
Ma'am, your checked bag is 5 kilograms overweight. The limit is 23 kilos. Yours is 28. That is a heavy excess baggage fee.
Oh, no, 5 kilos. That's going to cost a fortune in fees. I cannot afford this right now. I have to fix this without paying. I didn't realize it was that heavy. Is there any way to waive the fee, or what are my options?
Policy is strict. You must pay the fee, or you can step aside and rearrange your items.
Okay, yes. Can I transfer some things to my carry-on bag right here? To bring the weight down?
Yes, you may step aside to that corner. Do it quickly, please. The flight closes soon.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
Laptops, tablets, and liquids out of the bags. Take off your belts and metal objects. Place everything in the separate trays. Quickly, move it. Ma'am, is there a laptop in that bag? It must be removed. Place it flat in the tray.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I completely forgot. Here, let me take it out right now.
No problem. Just make sure you remove all electronics next time. Step through the scanner. Belt off. Try again.
Of course. I'm so sorry.
Final boarding call for Flight 8 to London. Are you Miss Lexi?
Yes, I'm here. Thank you. I made it, but my first flight hasn't even started yet. Travel is crazy. Tell me, what is your biggest airport nightmare? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.